Hi, this is Jackie with WTI. I love all coffee, but I especially love espresso. And one of the best kinds of espresso is Italian espresso. And this brand, Lavazza, is a well-known Italian espresso coffee brand, and it is delicious. I have had this in Europe, and I have been so happy to be able to have it from home. So the Lavazza brand has these pods that work well with my Breville Nespresso machine. So you can see I got the 60 pack. It's 60 of these pods, and they come in 5 different flavors and strengths. So I only saved these boxes to show you guys. So these are all the different ones, and they're color coded, so which is really intelligent, so you can kind of make out which one is different. So the blue one is decaffeinated, and the rest of these are various strengths and flavors, and they're all delicious. This is what the little pod looks like, and it is so simple and easy to use. They're really lightweight. I'm gonna do a decaf because it's afternoon, so grab my little decaf pod. You simply turn on the machine, pop in the pod, there's water in the back, and select if you want large or small, and let it do its thing. So there you have it. It's so simple to have a delicious Italian espresso in the privacy of your own home and feel like you've taken a trip overseas. It is beautiful. It has that perfect crema, smells incredible. Oh, and it tastes divine. But that's just my point of view.